We are actually in the Severn neighborhood, and there's a snowplow that's actually going through the neighborhood right now. We contacted the county earlier today, and we were told at that point that they were going to be sending 2 pieces of equipment here, and that equipment has arrived. And as we go down the street, this is Stream Valley Overlook, we can see that there is actually a snowplow that's coming up this way. So this has kind of ended a lot of the frustration that the neighbors have had. From spinning tires to neighbors with shovels chipping away at snow trapped under the wheels, teamwork helped free this tow truck. It came to this Severn neighborhood to rescue another vehicle that got trapped along Grand Canopy Drive. Then the tow truck got stuck. Neighbors in Severn Forest say their streets have not been plowed.
I grew up in Romania, so we have snow over there. I understand snow. I understand minus 20-degree weather in the mountains. So this doesn't scare me, but not being able to drive, not being able to pull the car out of the driveway, that bothers me.
And some feel like their community is frozen in time. Others have a different reaction.
It's a hot mess, Barry. This is a catastrophic failure, in my opinion, of county government to serve the people and do what they're supposed to be doing.
Throughout the neighborhood, streets are filled with packed snow, snowbanks, and ice.
Crazy. I can't even get to work because they haven't plowed anything.
We did see an Anne Arundel County Public Works truck go through the neighborhood, but its plow was up. Neighbors say the same thing happened Tuesday. Neighbors are also upset because they say the county map indicates the streets have been plowed.
Please correct it, or don't put out a false hope for us saying that things were done when they weren't done.
When we checked the county's website this afternoon, we saw a message saying the snow map was temporarily unavailable. And rest assured, snow removal crews continue to work 24/7 on operations. Neighbors in Severn Forest contacted their councilman. He contacted the Department of Highways and Public Works.
They told me they were going to put it on the priority list, and they were going to try to get drivers out here as soon as possible, and that potentially it was scheduled for Friday. But that's unacceptable in the world we live in today.
And again, we've just shown you just one of the plows that's come through the neighborhood, but also here on Stream Valley Overlook, if you can look ahead, you can see a car that neighbors are pushing out. There's still a lot of snow here and a lot of people who are trying to figure out a way of trying to get out as the plows come through. We just saw a guy just fall, and hopefully he is okay, trying to deal with the car. Again, we talked with the county and they told us that 95% of the communities have been done and that the workers will continue to make sure that all of the streets are passable. Reporting live from Severn on Live Drive 11, Barry Sims, WBAL-TV 11 News.
Barry, thank you very much for that live report. There's a lot of snow out there, and it's packed into that ice, so there's a lot of work to do. And you can track the snow plows in your neighborhood and across the region in our winter weather guide. Just download the WBAL-TV 11 app.